Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Gemini air sign. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. So let's see your recent past. Gemini, your recent past. The Moon. King of Swords. Your person could be Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or could be Capricorn, the Devil. Yeah, I think there are some issues definitely between both of you. The Moon, I think you hide something from your person, or your person maybe hide something from you. There is some harsh communication, straightforward communication already going between both of you, or it going to be happen in near future. I think you both obsessed with each other, I'm getting, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits. Devil energies here. Definitely there are some issues, but one person in this connection is very straightforward and honest. I think this King of Swords is very straightforward and honest, but other person I'm getting some manipulation. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. For some only that is manipulation, not all. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Gemini. Seven of Pentacles. Ooh, okay, Justice. Your person could be okay. Ten of Cups. One person invests in this connection more than the other and waiting for the results. I think one person is waiting for reconciliation. Justice. Ten of Cups. Yes, one person wants reconciliation. I think for some who are in separation, there is a chance for reconciliation. So one person has to make decision. Justice. So I think your person will approach for second chance for some who are in separation. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation for most of you. So let's see your person in future actions towards you, Gemini. Clinging to the past, Five of Cups. Healing, King of Cups. Lot of water energy. Your person could be the burden. Spices, Cancer, Scorpio. The burden, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. As I think there is separation between both of you. I already told you one person is sad for the what is happened between both of you, but healing is coming. Definitely your person want to offer this cup of love to you, King of Cups. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Six of Swords, communication. Some communication is also coming in your way, so don't cling to the past. Definitely your person want to offer this cup of love to you and they want to heal this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Gemini. Your person is coming, but you have to be patient because Seven of Pentacles. See the silence, Star. Lot of energy. Playfulness, Page of Wands. Definitely communication. You may be younger than your person and your person may be younger than you. Projection, Seven of Cups. You both could be mirroring each other or your person fantasizing about you a lot. Ordinariness, Eight of Pentacles. Yes, this time your person want to work on this relationship seriously. I think your person could be popular, a good looking or some celebrity type. Definitely they want to offer their love to you and they want to work on this relationship this time. Definitely because after the separation they realize you both, they're clinging to the past, but they want to resolve the things between both of you and they want to offer this cup of love to you. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.